Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on my October Boxycharm. For my Boxycharm videos, each item we receive 5 to 6 items and they're all full size. For this video, I try on each item and I let you guys know which items I like. I tell you my opinions on each item and I let you guys know which ones I like, which ones I dislike, you know, just all the feels on it. So without further ado, let's get into my October Boxycharm. Opening the box. The first thing I see is the card, of course, the little pamphlet. The theme for October is After Dark. On the back of this, it's saying that Boxycharm, they're introducing Boxycharm 2.0. You will receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 for only $25 per month starting November 1st. Something that we couldn't do before, now we can do with the Boxycharm 2.0. We can actually choose one product that we would like to receive. It says if you are a Boxyluxe subscriber, you get a chance to choose 1 to 3 products in their next Boxyluxe. Oh, that's awesome. Freaking awesome. Okay, so that's cool. Let's get into this. First thing I see is this bottle right here. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. So this right here is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. Ooh, I like that. Has extracts of cucumber, chamomile, green tea, vitamin E. This is 100% vegan. I love it. It conditions your skin, combat the look of dark circles, and will leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Retail price $29. You have to shake well for an even glow, of course. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, so then gently spray 12 inches away from your face with your eyes closed, of course. You have to apply this before your moisturizer. Thank God I didn't put any on. And then you can use this as to finish your makeup, like a setting spray. It's all over me. Oh, it smells good. So my thoughts on this iconic London Prep Set Glow Hydrating Mist. I like it, okay, just because it does give you a glow. But the only thing I don't like is all the glitter that just goes everywhere. If you don't like things that have a scent to it and is a strong scent, then you will not like this. If you do not like glitter that falls everywhere, you will not like this. But if you want to glow, you will like this. I can look past that because the glitter, you can just wipe it off. Even though I don't like glitter, like I like glitter, but when it gets everywhere, I'm just like, oh no, you know, I'm just that type of person. But I can look past it because when you wipe it off, it goes away. The smell, it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like chemicals or anything like that, but it is a little bit too strong. But other than that, I can look past it because it does give a wonderful glow to it. Next in the box is this right here. This is Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Retail price $16. Okay, so this is a lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator. Allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. I'm a little nervous. I always get a little nervous when it comes to things that I never tried. First time trying. Alright, let's do this. Like it says, it's a tinted brow gel, and that's what it did to my brows. It gave it a nice tint. It was easy to brush my brows and it stood in place. My brows stood in place how I was brushing it. I'm saying a yes to this. And next in the box, this item right here. I am so freaking excited for. It's an eyeshadow palette and it's from Dose of Colors. Oh my god. I love Dose of Colors. Yes, it's cruelty free. So everybody was getting different eyeshadow palettes, but it was all from Dose of Colors. And the one I got is Blushing Berries. Retail price is $32. It's a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye look. Look at just look at how beautiful. Just the outside got me all like tingly. Look at the shades. Ooh, baby. I actually like this. This would be good for the lower lash line or to put some inner corner highlight. I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'll point to each shadow. I'm not gonna talk through this. I'm just gonna point and just do some type of makeup look with these shadows. Oh, and the names are on the back. This is berry black, mixed berries, berry pop, roseberry, and berry chic. This palette I am loving, just alone how it looks. I'm just like, oh, that is so me. I like this. The shadows itself, I'm liking each one, okay? I did have trouble though with this one right here. That's berry pop. I had to be a little bit more patient with that one. After just being patient and blending, I was good. When I receive palettes in my Boxycharm, I never do a subtle look. I want to try to use every single shadow so I can see how they all work. I'm just so excited I received this palette overall because I wanted one of these palettes anyways. So it's just like, thank you. And they all worked out good. I did a dramatic ass eye look. I cannot believe it. But hey, whatever. I tried each one out. So let's keep on going along with this Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go right back in the box. The next item is this right here. This is the Hollywood N Vine. It's an eyeliner. It's called Velvety Touch Smooth. Retail price $7. Okay, I need some eyeliner on my waterlines. So let's do this. My thoughts on this eyeliner. Okay, one, I feel like this eyeliner is longer than a lot of eyeliners that I ever bought or received from Boxycharm, anything like that. So I like that one. And it went on smoothly. I didn't have to like really press hard and keep on going back and forth to get any pigment. It did go on extremely smoothly. I just like it overall. The size of it, how it goes on smoothly, and it's pigmented, so it's a plus for me. Last item is this right here. This is the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Oh, it's a gloss. Retail price $26. The name of it is Sex Kitten. Me like that. Okay, so my thoughts on this lip gloss. I feel a cooling sensation, but it's nothing like dramatic. In the beginning, I did have to keep on applying to get any pigment, but this thing is really glossy and I am loving it. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling myself right now. It matches my eyes. Like, oh, I look real rampy right now. Oh yes, baby. It has a smell to it and it reminds me a little bit of Vicks. It doesn't bother me though because me being Spanish, I'm used to that. I can't smell it on my lips though. Yeah, that's the last item. Oh crap, that's the last item. I'm done. My overall thoughts on October's Boxycharm. I'm actually liking each item, but I can say I do have a dislike for each one. I can overlook each dislike because it's nothing huge. It's not like I'm saying, oh, I can't stand them, or like, hell no, I cannot use it. It's just a little dislike for each one. Something that I was just like a little bit off about, but it's nothing big because I could look past it. Overall pricing for October's Boxycharm is $110. So yeah guys, that's it for October's Boxycharm. I am done. I'm looking very berry right now, and I'm actually liking it. It's going really good. So yeah guys, I am done with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. If you received Boxycharm, let me know down below which items you received, which ones you like, which ones you dislike. If you don't receive Boxycharm and you want to, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And yeah, that's all folks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day or wonderful night whenever you're watching this. Bye guys.